how to separate a single cell into two parts. Hello guys, so without any further ado, let us begin. First, let's say that you want to separate this cell. Now to do so, select the cell. On the top, you will see Format under Cells. Tap on Format, and on the below, you will see Format Cells. Tap on it. Now here you will get different options. You can check it out. Just go around here, go to Border, and after you're on Border, you will see these many options. Just select any one. I'll select this. Now what you'll need to do is simply uh, you know select this. You can select the width, I mean the size of the line on the between. Just select it and tap on OK. Now as you can see, there is a line in the between of this cell. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to do Alt Enter. After you do so, you will notice that the cursor is gone down below. Now let's say I'm going to write this here, time, and hit enter. Now as you can see, it's right below this one. Now I'm going to do this again. Go here, go above. After you're above, just type in whatever you want, and now give space here. After you've given space, hit enter. Let me do that again. There's been a mistake. So let me go back here, go above, type in whatever you want, go to the front, give space, and you can tap anywhere else. So that as you can see, it's done. So that is how you do it, guys, and that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.